So the S&P 500 was up more than 24% in 2023, then up another 23% in 2024. What does that mean for the momentum in 2025? You mentioned this inability for a three-peat. So, and I'm really thinking about this, especially given the fact that we have not had a meaningful correction since I don't know when.
Well, you're absolutely right. We did have two pullbacks last year. We had a 5.5% and an 8.5% decline. But yeah, meaningfully, I think we needed something more like a 10+% decline, but we didn't necessarily need a new bear market. So nobody has repealed pullbacks, corrections, or bear markets. So we will get one. The real question is, will it be happening in the coming year? One of the concerns I have is that traditionally third years of bull markets are pretty challenging. Of the 11 bull markets since World War II that celebrated their second birthday, 3 of them became new bear markets before the year was out. 2 more posted declines, even though not enough to become new bear markets. And then 3 additional ones ended up with returns of 6.5% or less. So a majority of those year twos were, in a sense, unsuccessful. And so I think that there's a good likelihood that we have a pretty challenging year 3. And we're also starting the year with pretty stretched valuations, in my opinion.
You know, 2024 was the year where the stock market almost went straight up, right? And so in 2025, what do you think we'll see in terms of volatility? Will we see more of a choppy year?
I think we probably will end up seeing more of a choppy year. Historically, the first and the third quarters are relatively flat in terms of price change, but obviously still maintaining that elevated level of volatility. The second and fourth quarters tend to be posting higher returns. Also, in the first year of a president's term in office, we've had 90% of those years in which there was a decline of 5% or more, and many of them have been above 10%. So I think volatility is something investors will have to get used to in the year ahead.